Hello again. I know that it is very wrong of me to laugh about such a serious matter as the shortcomings of the police officers with which this country seems to be stuck these days, but the recent case of Police Constable Amelia Shearer was so grotesque that there is little to do other than shake one's head in despair and laugh at the absurdity of the thing. P.C. Shearer joined the police after gaining a degree in criminal investigation at university. Even PCs are expected these days to have degrees, of course. After 2 years as a probationary police constable, she went out with some friends when she was off duty and became catastrophically drunk. She then went into a clothes shop in York and asked if they had any lavatories. On being told that they did not, she then went into a changing room, squatted down and pissed all over the floor. This was bad enough, but there's much worse. The staff at the shop called the police and P.C. Shearer was questioned under caution. She then lied her head off about the incident. So, happy to lie under oath. This does not bode well for her future when giving evidence in court, does it? The Crown Prosecution Service decided not to proceed with the charge of criminal damage, and the shop had to spend hundreds of pounds cleaning their changing rooms. When Miss Shearer was brought before a police disciplinary committee to face allegations of discreditable conduct and breaches of honesty and integrity, she still denied what had happened, although the committee found that she was guilty of misconduct. What do you think they did next? Chucked her out of the police? Why, no. The chair of the committee, Miss Ogoneru Ona Iguyovwe, said that she is 24 years old. There is scope for her to be rehabilitated. Scope to be rehabilitated? We're not talking about a petty criminal. This is a police officer. Why should we be trying to rehabilitate a police officer? It has been decided that she can stay in the police force because this has always been her ambition. Words fail me. In the thumbnail to this video is a picture of some women police officers in the 1950s. None of them had university degrees in those days, of course, but can you imagine one of these women carrying on in such a revolting and dishonest way? I give a link to a news item about the case in the description to this video as well.